Hello guys, my name is Austin and welcome back to my channel. Yes, today's video is very exciting. I'm super excited today because I'm here to show you how you can make as much as 5,000 naira every day by completing simple tasks like, liking a Facebook page, subscribing to a YouTube channel, sharing a post, signing up on a website. Simple tasks. So this video is specially created for students that have been stricken by the strike, by the ASU strike, or probably if you are a sit-at-home like worker, you work from home and you're looking at how you can make extra money like 5K, 10K, depending on how much effort you put into this platform. Yes, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can just do menial tasks, menial jobs. Instead of spending time watching YouTube videos and spending time watching movies and not doing anything and still be asking for urgent 2K, urgent 5K. No, make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm going to reveal this secret to you so that you can start making money right away. All right, yes, and if you're joining us for the first time, welcome to Learn with Austin. And in this channel, I'm going to be showing you how to start, how to grow, and how to scale your online business with different strategies, strategies like e-commerce, dollar arbitrage, and different online methods of how you can make money legitimately. Okay, so please do well to subscribe to our channel and do well to give this video a thumbs up so that more people can see this video. All right, in the past I've made videos of different business strategies. I've made videos on how you can make money with print on demand business, make as much as $500 selling t-shirts online. All right, the video is still on the on my channel. I also made a video on how you can start a dollar arbitrage business and make as much as 52,000 naira every day. I still have that video in my channel, so make sure to watch all these videos and take action. All right, okay, so let's jump in and get started already. All right guys, so yes, this is the website that I told you that can make you at least 5,000 naira daily just by completing menial tasks like subscribing to a YouTube channel, liking a page, anything. It could be anything. It could be sign up, it could be like whatever it is. It could be join a WhatsApp group. Okay, you're going to make as much money as you can. As you can see on the website, the name of the website is nairaworkers.com. all right, so you just go to your browser and type nairaworkers.com. okay, I'm going to add my referral link below, so just use my referral link to support and use my referral link to support, and yes, so that I can get paid. At the same thing with you too. So if you subscribe, you can share your referral link to your friends so that they can still use your referral link and make you money too. Okay, but that's not even the real deal. The real deal is you perform tasks and you make money. Okay, as you can see on their page, small gigs, big results, a crowdsourcing platform for individuals and businesses. All right, so if you go through the website, you can see you can set it up as a business owner, and you can as well set it up as a freelancer. Okay, so if you're setting it up as a business owner, that means you are the one that is going to be listing the deals, listing the task. Okay, so you can come here and list a task. Okay, I want people to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to pay them 100 naira per subscription and all of that. Okay, so you can list as a business person. If you are running a campaign, maybe a webinar, you can pay people to sign up for your webinar registration and all of that. Then if you're an individual, you can sign up to perform this task. Okay, so you can sign up to perform this task. You see a task, you pick it and you perform it and you get paid. All right, so let's quickly go ahead to create an account. So when you come over to the nairaworkers.com with my referral link that is going to be on the screen, all right, or on the description video, just go over to the registration button. All right, so when you click on the registration button, it brings you down to the registration page. All right, okay, so I already have an account, so I'm going to be using another detail to create this account. You understand? I'm going to be using another detail to create this account. Okay, all right, so when you go over to the registration page, you just quickly fill up the information, your first name, your username, and your email. Okay, and it's very important to note that you are highly prohibited from registering more than one account. Okay, you don't register more than one account. Make sure you are using only one account, because if you are caught doing multiple accounts here, you are going to be banned, and that's bad on your side. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead to register. First name, I'm going to put Austin Ejem. Okay, yeah, Austin. So I'm going to put last name Ejem. Okay, no, I have an account. Sorry, so I'm going to do right, so okay, gender, I'm going to do female. I'm using my sister's name. Okay, so for the email, I'm going to use art culture. All right, then this is my referral link. Okay, so when you are registering, make sure to use my referral link. It's going to be in the description video. Okay, do it to support your boy. Yeah, awesome. So now you put your password. So you just type your password. You know, it could be anything that you feel is secured enough. So in this case, I'm going to all right. Then I'm going to click on sign up. Okay, I think something went wrong here. Something went wrong here. So I'll do that again. Okay, so I'm going to go back. First name Precious. Okay. So I'm going to use this suggested email. I'm going to sign up. Okay, awesome. As you can see, my account has been created, and all I need to do now is to just go ahead to activate my account. Okay, so I'll just quickly head over to my email to activate my account. Okay, so this is the email I used to sign up for the account. As you can see, the email just came in now. Now activate NAIRA Workers account. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this code and go over to the activation code page and paste the code, then click on activate account. So if you did not see the code, you can as well just click on resend code. Okay, so I'll click on activate account. All right, so my account is ready. You have successfully activated your account. All right. All right, my account is ready. You have successfully activated your account. You can now enter into your dashboard. All right, I'm just going to click on enter dashboard. Okay. All right, guys, so this is where the magic happens. Okay, this is your dashboard, and on your dashboard you can see you have two options. Okay, the first option is to hire many random workers. Okay, this is going to be the option for business owners. All right, so you can hire laborers here to get your work or your job done for you. Then this is for you, that is going to be a free lancer. Okay, here you can just click on simple tasks and perform them and get paid. All right, so let's go ahead to create a freelancer account, which is the one on the right hand side that says perform simple and small tasks. Okay, so I'm just going to click on it now. Okay, yeah, so this is the NAIRA Worker dashboard. This is the NAIRA Worker dashboard. This is where you get jobs done. This is where the magic happens, the actual magic happens. All right, so but you have to stick with me to this to the end of this video. I'm going to show you how you can find high paying jobs. All right, because as you can see on this video, the jobs are not really, the numbers you are seeing here are really very small, 7 naira, 2 naira, but I'm going to show you how you can source out for higher paying jobs. Okay, so you have to stick to the end. Okay, so yeah, so this is the dashboard. All right, and you can see the kind of tasks that they are saying here. YouTube, this one is looking for 700 persons to do this task, and you already have 300. Okay, and it's paying 12 naira 20 kobo. Okay, and you can see this one is in Mubarak King WhatsApp TV. All right, it needs 400 persons, and you already have 286 persons. Okay, so these are different tasks that you can perform and get paid. All right. Okay, so let's view a task to even see more details of it. Okay, so this is the join a Telegram channel task. Okay, what is expected from worker? See, this is my VIP link. So just join. Require proof that task was finished. Proof you just joined. All right. So the proof you just joined could be a screenshot, okay? It could be a screenshot of the Telegram group. This guy did not specifically specify it, all right? He didn't specify exactly what he needed. He just said proof you just joined. So how do you prove? All right, but basically it's going to be a screenshot of the Telegram group that you just joined, okay? Well, let me go back and view another job. Okay, let's head over to this 140 Naira job. So this is branch app sign up, 700 Naira instant bonus withdrawal, okay? So I'm going to view this job now. So on this job description, you can see branch app sign up, $700 Naira instant bonus withdrawal, okay? What is expected from workers? Download branch app using the link below and follow all the steps correctly. You will get 700 Naira bonus immediately. And that's not just it. You're still going to get 140 Naira for your actual task. So that's like 840 Naira already for just one task, okay? So you just click on download, and please ensure to activate and verify your account in order to get paid. Ensure to follow all the procedures. When you have successfully registered and you have completed the whole verification, then look down. You will see a description that says invite. Click on the invite. You will see where they wrote enter promotion code. Enter my promotion code, David. Right? So this is the guy that has this gig, and this is how probably he is sending his own traffic to. All right, so he's going to pay you 140 to just do this task for him. Please ensure to follow the instructions carefully in order to be paid. You can make instant withdrawal of 700 bonus after you successfully use my promo code. All right, so this is it. So this is a required screenshot you are expected to send to him. All right, this is the expected screenshot you are going to send to him. Okay. Let me go back. All right, so yeah, so when you complete the task, you just go over to this page, to either link you can just go here to link. They probably add a link of the, if it was a link task that you did, probably they ask you to go ahead to a page and generate a link. So you can come over to this place and paste the link you generated. So if it's a screenshot, you can just use this, choose file. You can just upload the screenshot you just took, all right, and write whatever description you have to write. I just completed my task. I just completed the task. All right, you can just have this thing here and then click on submit proof. That's after you've done the job, and you can now wait for your money to be paid to you. Okay, now, but before you even start to engage with jobs, that's why you have to stay to the end of this video, because I have a lot to share with you. Before you start to engage with the jobs, you need to first of all go and complete your profile. Okay, so when you set up accounts, especially accounts that has to do with money, that has to do with finances, you must set up your account, completely set up your account. Okay, so you have to. So if we go over to this place, you can see we have to add our phone number. We have to add. Okay, I just go over to update profile. Okay, so if we go over to this profile, you can see we have a lot of information we've not added yet. And as you can see, phone number is even important, bank account number, and the bank account name. Okay, so let's go ahead to fill up all this information. So we'll just go over here and I'll say, all right, so I'm going to put my account here. All right, I'm going to put my account name here. All right. All right, I'm going to click on update profile. Oh, my dates. All right, so I'm going to quickly type my dates here. Then I'm going to click on update profile. Okay, so my profile is updated and is ready. Okay, so now I can now go back and now find a job to do. All right, so just go back and find a job to do. Okay, so let me show you how to get the highest paying jobs on Naira Worker. Okay, you don't have to do the 7 Naira jobs. That's like too little. How many jobs do you want to finish up? In fact, let me even show you the highest. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. You need to see something right now. All right, let me show you something. Yeah, I was paid 500 naira. I was paid 500 naira for signing up. All right, so you even get paid 500 naira for signing up, and you can withdraw this money the moment you complete a task. Okay, so when you complete a task, you even start earning already. So like, it's an amazing platform, at least to get yourself busy while you wait for us to call off the strike. All right, so yeah, so let me show you how to see highest paying jobs. All right, so I'm just going to go over to my dashboard, go over to my perform simple small task. All right, okay, so I'm just going right on my available jobs, right on my dashboard for available jobs. Okay, as you can see, just above these available jobs, just here, you can see this highest paying. So just click on highest paying, and the system, the NAIRA worker system, is going to filter the jobs, the job description, to the ones that are highest paying. Okay, so let's do that now. Okay, as you can see, wow. As you can see, you can do jobs for 545 naira. These guys, they need 25 naira worker people to do this job, and he already gotten just 3. He already gotten just 3. Okay, you still have another job that pays you 500 naira to complete. This guy needs 25 persons, and he already have 16. This one is paying 443 naira. Okay, you see this amazing money. This is cool cash. This is cool cash. This is something you can just quickly just do, you know, and by the time you complete 10 tasks, if you are doing $400 task and you do 10 tasks a day, that's like 4K. Yeah, 4K. If you can really work hard and you do 20 tasks, that's like, you know, 8K. And that's cool cash. You can use that to sort out 1 or 2 problems instead of always going to ask if for urgent 2K. You're always looking for who to borrow money from. That's not cool. All right, so you can just get your body to work, pull yourself to you know, get these things done and start making money right away. Okay, so that's basically how to make at least 5,000 naira daily doing simple tasks. Okay, all right, so yeah, thank you guys for, you know, watching this video to this part. I want you to make sure to create your account. Make sure to also use my referral link, and when you take action on this page and when you get paid, please, I want you to come and, you know, comment on this, come to the comment section and let us know like how it's going for you, and, you know, drop your feedback, you know, and if you have questions, if you have observations, also make sure to, you know, go to the comment section and let me know what you think. I'm always here to support, to help, and to guide you. All right, so thank you so much for joining. See you in the next video.